this they. What is this they? What is they thems? Because all this gender. Whose agenda is it anyway? A government name for a government claim. Is that who you are? Your real name? So here I am, that mythical they, existing comfortably in those cracks. Ecosystem engineers. I don't say I came out. I say I came into my queerness. I came into my gender. I came into my non-binariness. But since I am a they, I have a problem with everything, obviously. So I have a problem with the term non-binary as well. Because it sounds like non-veg to me. I mean, why define myself with what I'm not? So I'm poly art, poly gender, poly love, poly many things. Because in your disrespect lies my freedom. You know, my day, it's an obfuscation, a refusal that exists in the cracks of your gendered culture. My day is an acknowledgement of the histories of the ancestry, especially of those without the legacy, without the nomenclature of practice. My day it's no longer angry. It's no longer angry that you keep reducing my personhood to my body parts. It is where English is learning to accommodate my sense of me. It's an expression of disgust at a culture that has benefited only those that can check boxes unambiguously. I don't know which box I fit into. Sometimes I want to tick all the boxes. My day, it is an act of reclamation. My day is hopeful. It is an attempt at intimacy. It is a call for you to unlearn your imaginations of me and learn with me our imaginations of us. What we are, what we could be. It's an occupation of joy, you know. It is my shringar. It is an acceptance of my beauty beyond these assigned binaries of the feminine, the masculine. It is a beauty that does not require the safety of the kajal, the boldness of the red lips, or the fullness of the mascara. My day is an overcoming of the system, the CISTEM. Yes. It's no longer rebellion. My day, in a world that champions understanding, clarity, assurance, my day is a call to abstraction. My day is adbhut, It's an act of choosing transgressions. My day is like a gentle act of self-governance. In this world that we are creating, a world of the regal realm with a sorrowless name, they call it Begumpura, a place with no pain, no taxes or cares. None owns property there. Oh, says Ravidas, a tanner now set free. Those that walk beside me are my friends.